The American economy functions with high precision, rewarding extraction and generating soaring profits for those at the very top. The mechanism is highly optimized to concentrate wealth, even as middle-class wages remain static. This disparity has widened over 250 years as historical gaps emerged within the structural foundation of the U.S. Constitution. Well-connected insiders leverage these gaps to navigate a two-tier justice system, ensuring their wealth remains protected and their actions shielded from public accountability. This often takes the form of regulatory capture, where industries meant to be under federal oversight instead dominate the agencies responsible for policing them. This chart visualizes how that capture generates massive economic friction. When resources are siphoned off to serve narrow interests, it erodes the trust required for a productive market to function. Project 2029 argues that effective healthcare, taxation, and economic reform are impossible without first repairing the physical machinery of the government. A comprehensive structural sanitation is required to identify and root out systemic corruption before the nation can achieve lasting economic justice. The process begins with emergency stabilization measures, executed within the first 180 days of an administration. These executive actions function as a tourniquet, strictly focused on halting ongoing abuses, breaking regulatory capture, and restoring the enforcement of existing laws. Triage then gives way to permanent structural repair through the legislative 12 Acts of Reconstruction. This reconstruction is guided by the Institutional Restoration Framework, a technical blueprint for the nation's governance. The framework's primary objective is to strengthen the checks and balances separating all three branches of the federal government. These reinforced guardrails ensure that any president, regardless of their party, remains strictly bound by the law and constitutional limits. The second objective focuses on protecting the government's independent watchdogs, specifically the inspectors general. Shielding these watchdogs from political retaliation allows them to investigate high-level corruption and structural rot without the fear of being fired. These structural reinforcements serve as the load-bearing walls necessary to stabilize democratic institutions under the weight of concentrated power. One of the most opaque sectors requiring immediate structural sanitation is the federal intelligence community. Secretive agencies operating without sufficient transparency often prioritize their own institutional survival over constitutional boundaries. Project 2029 introduces a solution, a series of legally binding oversight mechanisms that tether these agencies to external checkpoints. This tethering ensures that even the most powerful arms of the government operate strictly within the law while serving the public interest. This strict oversight is driven by the principle of rational national self-interest. Empowering these watchdogs serves a practical economic necessity, acknowledging that systemic corruption creates a drain on national resources that the country can no longer afford. Establishing a society based on value creation and merit requires demanding absolute institutional integrity at the highest levels of power. We must measure political success by the permanence of laws passed and safeguards established, rather than by the number of executive orders signed. The goal is to create a rules-based prosperity that remains stable regardless of which party holds the White House. While the framework is federal, the practical work of restoration must take place within your immediate local community. Across the country, over 500,000 local offices, from school boards to county commissions, currently sit as the primary building blocks of the government. Every one of these 500,000 seats is an opportunity to install foundational resilience. A local candidate can begin this process immediately by proposing a day-one financial and ethics audit to identify waste and local corruption. The Local Candidate Toolkit provides the actionable steps needed to run for these vital and often uncontested local seats. Reclaiming local boards extends structural sanitation to the neighborhood level, restoring the individual's ability to participate in a system that finally prioritizes their interests.